All right, it is 7 a.m. I can hear the kids upstairs, so I'm gonna go upstairs, help them get some breakfast going before we go to school. What you're about to watch is my 3:55 a.m. morning money making routine from Monday to Saturday. This is how I maximize my effectiveness, work on my money later tasks to grow my business and to have more done in the first 3 hours of the day than most people get done in an entire week. You got to get up early to make it happen. Check it out. (3:55 a.m.) If you notice, I sleep in the basement. I do that because I don't want to wake my wife up when I wake up early. All right, she's already got a rough night with the kids waking up, so I set my alarm for 3:55 a.m. and what you'll notice is my phone is not in my bedroom, it's in the bathroom. So when it goes off, I'm forced to wake up and not sleep in and not grab my phone and start to scroll on social media, which is the worst way you can start your day. Next up, I head back into the bedroom, and yes, I am wearing my clothes. I'll tell you about that on another video, but I sleep in my clothes and I read about 5 to 10 pages. And what I also like to do is read one chapter from the book of Proverbs. The reason I read in the morning is to unlock ideas and prompt God to speak to me. And when I'm reading His Word and I'm reading Christian books, that's when I hear His voice. That's when I ground myself and I gain clarity on what's most important. A new habit I have is I like to take a photo every morning of how I look. And this is something I got from the book 75 Hard. It's a daily thing that just kind of prompts you to reassess every decision through the day, knowing you're gonna be taking another picture tomorrow. Next up, you're not gonna like this one, it's the cold shower. I started off with 10 seconds and I've built it up to a minute. The reason I do a cold shower, there's a lot of benefits such as improving your immune system, increasing circulation, but specifically to activate my brain. I used to rely on way too much caffeine at the start of my day, and taking caffeine early in the day is redundant because that's when your adrenaline and cortisol levels are already sky high. So what I do now is I push my caffeine back 90 minutes. I allow my adrenaline and cortisol to wake me up, and I use the cold shower to activate my brain. The key is to start with your forehead, down to your sternum, and then do full circular rotations of your head to ensure you're getting the part of your brain that is responsible for drive, motivation, learning. And after you do this for a minute, you'll feel like you just took a shot of rocket fuel. Next, I head upstairs and I have a liter of water with HumaPro, which are, from my research, the most effective type of amino acids. Your body's dehydrating while you sleep, while you breathe, and I want to rehydrate my body, spike my metabolism, and I have at least 1 liter of water before I come back downstairs. I don't put any food in my body because I fast till 12 o'clock each day to again prompt focus and drive and motivation. You'll also see that I utilize bright lights when I wake up. I flick on my lights immediately upon rising, and this shuts down melatonin production so that I am now alert, and I turn on bright lights in the morning so my body is saying, hey, it's morning time, even though it's dark outside. That's what gets your body in activation mode. Before I dive into my work, I put my headphones on because it puts me in the zone, and I'm looking to get into a state of flow, which is when you can work really efficiently and it feels easy. It's a challenging thing you're working on, but it's not too easy where you get bored and distracted. And I do that by also adding some Baroque music, and I put this on. It helps me focus all of my energy into the task in front of me. One other thing I do is I make sure there's no other windows open and I've got no notifications on. No one's typically messaging me at 4 in the morning anyways. It's critical to have one document open based on the task you're working on and have no other windows open to distract you. So 30 minutes in, about 4:30 a.m., I'm now at my desk and I put aside 2 hours of deep work towards what I call money later tasks. These are tasks that are gonna produce income for me in 30 days from now. All right, so I'm not working on things that produce income today, and I'm not doing things that produce income in the next 7 to 30 days. I call those money now tasks and money maintenance tasks. Deep work is also known as magic time. This is where you focus on work that again will produce an asset in your business that can help you produce wealth in the future. So you're conditioning yourself to not do things that give gratification. All right, most of us start off with instant gratification tasks like checking email, responding to comments, looking at stats. Those things give quick dopamine hits, and we want to delay the dopamine. We want to work on things that are going to build our future, and we're going to prioritize those at the start of the day when there's no interruptions and where you can be maximally effective. So if all I get done is what I do between 4:30 and 7 a.m., my business will continue to grow. The rest of the day I can support my team, I can put out fires, but I don't start my day supporting my team and putting out fires. I do things in the order that are most important to making money on autopilot in the future. So we call these money later tasks. And that is it. This will take time to put into habit. One, just the habit of waking up earlier. That comes with a whole ton of challenges in itself in terms of what time you go to bed and what you watch before you go to bed so that you get high quality deep sleep and REM sleep. But this habit here, the 4 a.m. routine, is by far the most effective productivity hack in the book. Simply waking up earlier, spending 3 hours on your money later tasks. That one habit in itself will completely transform your life. I hope that was interesting for you, and I hope this helps you become more productive and not just active. I hope this helps you become fruitful, and I trust that this is gonna help you maximize your own efficiency and effectiveness to get the most out of your day and your life. I'll see you in the next video.